Hello, future biologists and curious minds. Welcome to a truly captivating journey into the world of economic importance of bacteria and fungi for Class 9 biology. Today, our spotlight is firmly on the incredible and often overlooked kingdom of fungi. From the delicious bread you enjoy to life-saving medicines that combat diseases, fungi play countless, diverse roles in our daily lives and ecosystems. We are about to embark on an exciting learning adventure, exploring their secrets across 4 distinct levels of depth: easy, medium, hard, and hardest. Get ready to uncover the profound ways these unique organisms impact our world, both as indispensable allies and formidable foes. Let's begin our exploration with the basics. What exactly are fungi, and how do they touch our daily lives in simple, understandable ways? Fungi are truly unique organisms, forming their very own kingdom, distinct from both plants and animals, and exhibiting an astonishing diversity. You might know them as molds, yeasts, or the familiar mushrooms. Unlike plants, they lack chlorophyll and cannot perform photosynthesis. Instead, most fungi are saprophytic, meaning they obtain their nutrients by breaking down and absorbing organic matter from dead organisms. This crucial role makes them nature's ultimate recyclers, absolutely vital for decomposing waste and returning essential nutrients back into the soil, thereby maintaining healthy ecosystems. However, it's important to remember that their impact isn't always positive. Fungi can be both incredibly beneficial and significantly harmful to humans and the environment. Think about it, fungi are everywhere. On the beneficial side, yeast is a fungus that helps your bread rise and ferments grapes into wine. Edible mushrooms are a delicious and nutritious food source. And famously, penicillin, the first antibiotic, came from a fungus. However, fungi also have a harmful side. They cause common skin infections like athlete's foot and ringworm, spoil food by growing mold, and can devastate crops, leading to significant economic losses. It's a delicate balance. Now, let's take a moment to test your understanding of these foundational concepts. Here are 3 quick questions designed to reinforce what we've just learned. First, can you name 2 distinct beneficial uses of fungi that impact human life? Second, give an example of a common human disease that is caused by fungi. And third, explain, in simple terms, how yeast, a type of fungus, plays a crucial role in the process of making bread rise. Pause the video, think carefully about your answers, and challenge yourself. Excellent work on the basics. Now, are you ready to dig a little deeper and explore the specific ways fungi contribute to our food, medicine, agriculture, and environment, while also gaining a more detailed understanding of their negative impacts? Let's advance our knowledge. In the food industry, fungi like yeast are indispensable. Yeast ferments sugars, producing carbon dioxide that makes bread light and fluffy, and alcohol for beverages. Many edible mushrooms, like button mushrooms, are a staple food. Fungi also contribute to the distinct flavors and textures of various cheeses. Medicinally, fungi have been game changers. Penicillin, discovered by Alexander Fleming, revolutionized treatment of bacterial infections. Beyond antibiotics, fungi provide immunosuppressants like cyclosporin, vital for organ transplant patients, and statins, used to lower cholesterol. Their biochemical factories are truly remarkable. Fungi are also pivotal in agriculture and the environment. Mycorrhizae, a symbiotic association between fungi and plant roots, significantly enhances a plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients, especially phosphorus. This leads to healthier and more robust crops. Some fungi are even used as natural pesticides, controlling harmful insects and plant diseases. Environmentally, fungi are the unsung heroes of decomposition. They break down complex organic materials, recycling essential nutrients back into the soil, supporting the growth of new life. They also form lichens, which are pioneer species in barren lands, helping to create new soil. However, not all fungi are our friends. Many are notorious for causing diseases. In humans, these mycoses range from superficial skin infections like athlete's foot and ringworm to more serious systemic infections that can affect internal organs, especially in individuals with weakened immune systems. In agriculture, pathogenic fungi cause devastating crop diseases like rusts, smuts, and blights, leading to immense economic losses and threatening food security. Furthermore, molds spoil food, and some even produce harmful toxins called mycotoxins, which can be dangerous if consumed. It's crucial to understand these harmful aspects to develop effective control measures. Alright, let's consolidate your understanding of the medium-level content. Here are 5 questions for you. First, explain in more detail the role of yeast in bread making, focusing on the underlying process. Second, name a critically important antibiotic derived from fungi and identify its discoverer. Third, what exactly are mycorrhizae and how do these symbiotic associations specifically benefit plants? Fourth, list 2 distinct human diseases caused by fungi, categorizing them if possible. And finally, describe how fungi contribute significantly to nutrient cycling in various ecosystems. Take your time to formulate comprehensive and well-reasoned answers. Fantastic! You've grasped the medium concepts. Now, for those eager to truly understand the intricate world of fungi, we'll venture into the hard level. Here, we'll analyze their vast diversity, advanced industrial applications, and complex ecological roles with greater scientific depth. Let's push our boundaries. Fungi exhibit immense phylogenetic and morphological diversity, from single-celled yeasts to filamentous molds and macroscopic fruiting bodies. This diversity underpins their wide range of economic impacts. Beyond basic food and medicine, fungi are industrial powerhouses. They produce a vast array of enzymes like cellulases for paper and textile industries, amylases for food processing, and lipases for detergents. These enzymes catalyze specific reactions, making industrial processes more efficient and environmentally friendly. Fungi are also harnessed to produce organic acids such as citric acid, commonly used in food and pharmaceuticals, and are even being explored for biofuel production, offering a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. Their metabolic versatility is truly astounding. Fungal pathogenicity is a significant global challenge. In agriculture, fungi are responsible for over 70% of plant diseases, causing enormous crop losses worldwide. They achieve this by secreting toxins, degrading host tissues, or blocking nutrient transport. Managing these diseases involves a combination of fungicides, development of resistant crop varieties, and biological control. In humans, fungal infections, or mycoses, vary from superficial skin conditions to life-threatening systemic infections, particularly in immunocompromised individuals. Diagnosis can be difficult, and treatment relies on specific antifungal drugs that target unique fungal components, such as ergosterol in their cell membranes, which are absent in human cells. This selective targeting is crucial for effective treatment. Ecologically, fungi are indispensable. As primary decomposers, they break down complex organic matter like lignin and cellulose, which few other organisms can digest. This process is vital for nutrient mineralization and the formation of humus, enriching soil fertility. Their symbiotic relationships are equally profound. Mycorrhizal fungi form mutualistic associations with over 90% of plant species, effectively extending the plant's root system to absorb more water and nutrients while receiving carbohydrates in return. Lichens, another remarkable symbiosis of fungi and algae, are pioneer species that colonize barren environments, contributing to soil formation and ecosystem development. These roles highlight fungi's foundational importance to all terrestrial life. It's time for some hard-level questions to test your analytical skills. 1. Discuss the role of fungi in the production of industrial enzymes and organic acids. 2. Explain how mycorrhizal associations benefit both fungi and plants. 3. Describe the different categories of human fungal infections with examples. 4. What are mycotoxins and what is their impact? 5. How do fungi contribute to nutrient cycling in terrestrial ecosystems? 6. Compare and contrast the beneficial and harmful roles of fungi in agriculture. And 7. Why are fungi considered primary decomposers, especially of complex organic matter? Reflect on these challenging questions. Welcome, true enthusiasts, to the hardest level of our exploration. Here, we'll plunge into the intricate molecular mechanisms, competitive insights, and advanced engineering aspects of fungal importance. Prepare for a truly deep and challenging dive into the cutting-edge science of fungi, where biology meets technology and innovation. Let's uncover the most complex layers. Fungi are true biotechnological marvels, acting as microbial cell factories. Beyond producing familiar food items and antibiotics, their metabolic pathways yield a vast array of primary metabolites like ethanol and citric acid, and crucially, complex secondary metabolites such as immunosuppressants and cholesterol-lowering statins. The field of fungal biotechnology leverages genetic engineering to optimize these processes. We can manipulate fungal genomes to enhance the yield of desired compounds, modify their metabolic pathways for novel products, or even use them to produce human proteins like insulin or vaccine antigens, making them invaluable tools in modern pharmaceutical production and industrial chemistry. This level of control opens up endless possibilities for innovation. Developing effective antifungal drugs is a significant challenge due to fungi being eukaryotes, sharing many cellular features with humans. Thus, drugs must selectively target unique fungal components. Key targets include ergosterol, a fungal-specific membrane sterol, and components of the fungal cell wall like chitin and glucans. Antifungal classes like azoles, pauleins, and echinocandins work by disrupting these targets. However, fungi are adept at developing resistance through mechanisms such as active efflux pumps that expel drugs, mutations in drug target enzymes, or forming protective biofilms. Understanding these resistance mechanisms is critical for designing new, more potent antifungals and combination therapies to combat the growing threat of drug-resistant fungal infections. Fungi are indispensable ecological engineers, pivotal in global biogeochemical cycles. They are the primary degraders of recalcitrant organic polymers such as lignin and cellulose, ensuring the continuous cycling of carbon. Their roles extend to nitrogen cycling through ammonification and phosphorus solubilization, making these vital nutrients available to plants. This forms the basis of mycoremediation, where fungi are utilized to clean up environmental pollutants. For example, white rot fungi, known for their powerful lignin-modifying enzymes, can break down highly toxic compounds like PCBs, pucks, and even certain plastics. Fungal mycelial mats can also act as biofilters, removing heavy metals and pathogens from water. This natural engineering offers sustainable and eco-friendly solutions for environmental restoration, highlighting their profound impact on planetary health. The molecular basis of fungal pathogenicity involves a complex interplay of virulence factors and host immune evasion strategies. Pathogenic fungi deploy adhesins for host cell attachment, and various enzymes like proteases and lipases to invade tissues. They also produce toxins, such as gliotoxin or aflatoxins, which can damage host cells. Furthermore, fungi have evolved sophisticated mechanisms to evade the host immune system, including morphological switching, like Candida albicans transitioning from yeast to hyphal forms, or forming protective capsules as seen in Cryptococcus neoformans. They can also modulate host immune responses to their advantage. A deeper understanding of these molecular interactions is crucial for developing targeted diagnostics and effective antifungal therapies, especially given the rising prevalence of severe fungal infections in immunocompromised populations globally. Let's tackle the first 5 hardest level questions. 1. Discuss the advanced biotechnological applications of fungi beyond traditional food and medicine, focusing on primary and secondary metabolites. 2. Explain the primary targets of antifungal drugs and describe at least 3 different classes of antifungals, outlining their mechanisms of action. 3. Elaborate on the mechanisms by which pathogenic fungi develop resistance to antifungal agents. 4. Describe the role of fungi in the global carbon and nitrogen biogeochemical cycles, providing specific examples of their contributions. And 5. What is mycoremediation? Discuss specific examples of pollutants that fungi can degrade and the enzymatic processes involved. Think critically and provide detailed answers. And now, for the remaining 5 challenging questions. 6. Analyze the molecular and cellular virulence factors employed by fungal pathogens to establish infection in hosts. 7. How do pathogenic fungi evade the host immune system, and what implications does this have for therapeutic strategies? 8. Compare and contrast the challenges of developing antifungal drugs versus antibacterial drugs, considering the biological nature of fungi. 9. Discuss the potential of genetic engineering in fungi for enhancing the production of valuable compounds or developing novel applications. And 10. Evaluate the ecological impact of mycorrhizal fungi on plant communities and ecosystem productivity, considering their role in nutrient acquisition and stress tolerance. And that brings us to the very end of our comprehensive, multi-level deep dive into the economic importance of fungi. We've journeyed from their basic roles in our daily lives to their complex biotechnological applications, intricate ecological engineering, and the challenges they pose as pathogens. I truly hope you now possess a profound appreciation for the incredible and multifaceted impact these unique organisms have on our world. For more such engaging, in-depth, and challenging educational content that pushes your understanding, make sure to visit our platform at synapse.omaps.in. Don't forget to show your support by liking this video, sharing it with your peers, and subscribing to our channel for a continuous stream of insightful learning experiences. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and most importantly, keep learning.